Austin has lots of great scenic views, some of which you can drive right up to, but others require a short hike to get to. The path up to the 360 bridge overlook is arguably treacherous, but Deidre and I managed to drag ourselves up to the cliff, overlooking the scenic views of the Pennybacker Bridge and that beautiful stretch of the Colorado River. The Pennybacker Bridge, some people just refer to this as the 360 bridge because it connects the northern and southern sections of Loop 360. This bridge is not particularly impressive as far as bridges go, but it sure is photogenic. And I think that's because it's got such a beautiful backdrop. A few weeks ago, we took a lower angle photo of the bridge from the south, but I wanted a shot from the cliffs on the north side looking down. Right, there's also a tree up there that I wanted to take some photos of, but here's where things got interesting. Even with a full frame camera and a 24 to 70 millimeter zoom, which is what I was shooting with, I was shooting it at 24 millimeters, just, as wide as I could with that particular lens. I didn't have enough room to get the whole tree in my frame. So I figured I'd just take one shot of the top portion of the tree and one shot of the bottom and see if I could combine them into one picture later in Photoshop. And I'll just show you this is the vertical shot that I tried, and as you can see, it's got the left and the right. I wasn't going to be able to get the whole tree in this shot. If I went horizontal with the frame, I could definitely get from side to side as much of the tree that I wanted, but I couldn't get it all the way to the bottom. So I took this one picture of the top portion, this other picture of the lower portion. Now Photoshop's got a feature called Photomerge, and I'm going to demonstrate how I use that to combine these two pictures into one. Alright, so I've opened up these two photos that I want to combine in Photoshop, and I'm going to go over here to File, Automate, Photomerge. Now you're going to see a lot of different options here. I just selected the default and selected the two open files from Photoshop, press OK, and then it does its thing. Right, now there was a lot of extra space left over, but I just cropped that out, and I'll show you how I did that. I just went something like this and brought this down and cropped it. Now that was okay because this is a photo that I just wanted to post on Instagram real quick, so I did that. I made some changes, and this was the result once I finished color correcting it and doing all the little things that I wanted to do. But instead of just cropping, I could have easily just filled in these transparent spaces with one of the other selections. We'll go back to File, Automate, Photomerge. So this time I'm going to select Content Aware Fill Transparent Areas like this, and again select those two open files, click OK. This one takes just a little bit more time. Alright, this looks really good. Alright, so I ran into this problem and I found a simple solution with Photoshop. Now, I'd never used Photomerge before, but now that I have, I'm thinking of trying it out in other situations or looking for more creative ways to use it. This is just something I thought I'd share with those of you who'd never tried it. Maybe you'll be caught short of space in your frame sometime, and you'll know that Photomerge or something similar can help. If this helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up by clicking the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe, leave a comment below, and hey, that's about it for today. I'll see you next time.